Oh. Control, is everything okay?
Affirmative, Captain. Black Friday may still be some time away, but you're on course to encounter savings immediately.
Don't tease me with a good time, Control.
Sawgrass Technology has engaged in an early liftoff sale. Their top printers and inks will be deeply discounted starting today. Start date November 1, 2025. Take $200 off VersiFlex SG500 and SG1000 printer kits.
Versatile with VersiFlex? Consider me Versa impressed.
Humor attempt acknowledged.
Thanks, Control.
Sawgrass SG500 and SG1000 standard printer kits with SubliJet UHD are also on sale at $80 and $100 off, respectively. Individual Sawgrass ink cartridges are 15% off. However, the discount is increased to 20% off when purchased as a full set.
These savings are incredible. This must be some sort of flash sale event, right?
Negative. The Sawgrass Early Liftoff Black Friday sale starts today, start date November 1, and will continue through Black Friday. Navigate your vessel to the sale immediately for instant savings.
Block coordinates for the Sawgrass Early Liftoff sale at heatpressnation.com.